Ahoy there! Set sail with us as we explore the Royal Navy's top 3 ships. First, we have the HMS Queen Elizabeth, a marvel of modern engineering. She's a massive aircraft carrier, boasting a length of 280 meters. Next, we journey to HMS Defender, a Type 45 destroyer. She's armed to the teeth, ready to safeguard our seas. Her radar system can track over 2,000 objects at once. Quite impressive, eh? Finally, we have the HMS Victory, a ship steeped in history. The oldest naval ship still in commission, she served as Lord Nelson's flagship in the Battle of Trafalgar. 3 distinct ships, each with their own tale to tell. The Royal Navy, a testament to Britain's maritime might. Until next time, anchors away.